Imagine this: all the heavy lifting of monitoring and maintaining your technology gone. Managed IT services do just that. This outsourcing model helps reduce your risk, optimize your costs, and protects your long-term viability. At PC Corp, we take a collaborative and detail-oriented approach to managed IT services. We act as an extension of your business, ensuring that your IT infrastructure isn't just functioning, but thriving to bring you value and deliver results. So how do we achieve this? Our services focus on proactive and preventative maintenance, reliably minimizing downtime and other productivity-killing issues. We work hard behind the scenes to eliminate vulnerabilities, building a robust IT ecosystem that can withstand cyber threats. Another key advantage of managed IT services is having a team that's up to date on IT best practices. We prioritize implementing industry-standard technologies that evolve alongside innovation, ensuring your systems are always cutting edge. And because one size doesn't fit all, we create personalized IT roadmaps and provide tailored client-centric support to ensure you experience tangible improvements in efficiency and set you up for long-term growth. What's more, our subscription model offers scalability and flexibility, allowing you to stay in control and easily adapt to your changing needs without disruption, delay, or costly overhauls. If you're ready to maximize the value of your IT investments, PC Corp offers managed IT services backed by nimble and highly skilled professionals who genuinely care about your success. Schedule an IT assessment with PC Corp today to explore how we can transform your organization's IT operations. Let's take your IT to the next level, together.